Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change the background color on Google Sheets. It's how to change the background color of cells on Google Sheets. The first thing you need to do is to go to Google Sheets and open the spreadsheet you want to modify. Then the next step is to click and drag to highlight cells you want to change the background color of. Well, I'm just clicking on this cell, just one, or you can just click and drag if you use multiple cells. To select non-adjacent cells or ranges, hold down Control CMD on Mac. That's CMD on Mac, but Control on Windows while clicking the cell or ranges. So once you've done selecting, go ahead to open the fill color menu, which is on the toolbar. So on the toolbar at the top of the screen, which is here, click on the fill color, and this is the fill color. It's usually presented by a paint bucket. All right, so once you click on that, a color palette will appear. Now you can select a color from the default palette. So let's say this is what I want it to be, and that's it. So for more color options, so you can go ahead and click on that again and click on custom. So you can click on custom to choose a specific color or enter hex color code, and then you can click on the color that you want to apply. The background of selected cells will change to this color. I want to make it a lot brighter, and that's it. So changing the background color of an entire sheet. How do you do that? Open the spreadsheet where you want to change the background color and click the rectangle in the top left corner of the sheet. All right, the top. So let's go to the top left corner of a sheet. Okay. So you're gonna have to right click, all right, click on the rectangle, not right click, click on the rectangle in the top left corner of the sheet where the row numbers and column letters intersect. So deselect all the cells in the sheet. That's here. This is the rectangle, and it selects all. Then click on the fill color icon in the toolbar, which is represented by a bucket, this pink bucket that is here. Now, once you're done, select a color from the default palette. And that's it. Click on the color to apply to the entire sheet. So that's it. So for you to remove the background color, all you need to do is to highlight the cells from which you want to remove the background color and click on the fill icon toolbar and select reset. So once you select reset, you select reset option or the none option, usually represented by a white square or a diagonal line. You will be able to remove the background color and revert to the default. Now these steps will help you customize the appearance of your cells by changing the background color. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.